Land border ports of entry fully reopened to international travelers in China's Guangxi and Yunnan, as the country downgraded its management of COVID-19. China now manages COVID-19 with measures against Class B infectious diseases instead of Class A infectious diseases. In a major shift of its epidemic response policy, the COVID management downgrade is expected to facilitate the smooth and orderly cross-border travel of Chinese and foreign nationals. In Guangxi, the land port of Dongxing on China's border with Vietnam saw many inbound travelers on Sunday, many of whom were returning home ahead of the Chinese New Year. In Yunnan, land ports of Hekou, Mohan and Rayleigh bordering Vietnam, Laos and Myanmar respectively have also resumed passenger services.
昨天听到了口岸可以放开，所以呢只是睡不着。现在想很快了到河口，然后马上吃中国的菜，河口的菜。下一步呢是我在这里工作。
我这边我们是做那个旅游的嘛，现在口岸现在1月8号这次开关了嘛，现在我们准备进去看一下那个旅游线路的踩点。